Today we are starting community medicine chapter number 8. Okay, the first question, the percentage of available chlorine in bleaching powder is 33%. In drinking water, admissible amount of E. coli is nil. Question number 3, the minimum air space for each worker as per Indian factory is 300 CFT. Question number 4, smallpox was eradicated in the year of 1980. Then question number 5, the commonest cause of neonatal mortality in India is low birth weight. Question number 6, in calculating dependency ratio, the numerator is expressed as population under 15 year and 65 year above. Question number 7, which of the following is the least common complication of measles is subacute sclerotic encephalitis. Question number 8, residents of three villages with the three different types of water supply were asked to participate in a study to identify the cholera carrier because the several cholera deaths has occurred in the recent past. Virtually everyone present at the time submitted to examination. The proportion is resident in each village who were carries was computed and compared. This is a study is cross section study. Then question number 5, which following is true about the term of new family? It is applied to all nuclear family of less than 10 year duration. Question number 10, a drug company developing new pregnancy test kit used on outpatient basis. The company used the pregnancy test on 100 women who were known to be pregnant. Out of 199 show positive test. Upon using the same test on non-pregnant women, 90 shows negative result. What is the sensitivity of the test? Is 99%. Question number 11. A man present with fever and chill 2 weeks after louse bite. There was a macropopular rashes on the trunk which spread peripherally. The cause of this infection can be epidemic thymus. Question number 12. All of the following statements are true regarding Q fever except well-Flexi reaction is very useful for diagnosis. Question number 13. A reservoir of an Indian Kalajar is man. All of the following features are suggested to apoptosis except occur within a 5 year of exposure. Question number 15. Brucellosis can be transmitted by all of the following except person to person transmission. Question number 16. Which of the following statement about lepromine is not true? It is an important aid to classify type of leprosy disease. Question number 17. The usefulness of screening test depend upon its sensitivity. Question number 18. Lice are not the vector of Q fever. Question number 19. For the field diagnosis of trachoma, the WHO recommend the follicular and intestine trachoma inflammation should be assessed in children aged 0 to 10 years. Question number 20. Of the following are true regarding the leptospirosis except lice act as a reservoirs of infections. Question number 21. Under the National Program of Control Blindness in India, medical colleges are classified the eye care centers of tertiary level. Question number 22. Taking the definition of blindness is usually equity less than 3 out of 60 in the better eye, the number of blind person as per 1 lakh population in India estimated to be 700. Question number 23. In the prevalence in low compare to the incidence of disease, it impulse disease is very fatal and easily curable. Question number 24. The following is true about the prevalence and incidence. Answer is incidence is a rate of prevalence is not. Question number 25. The rate adjust allow for the age of distributing of population is age is industrialization mortality rate. Question number 26. The mechanism by which cholera might be maintained during the interval between peak cholera region is continued transmission in men. Question number 27. The age and sex structure of population may be best described by population pyramid. Question number 28. The double blind clinic drug trial is the patient do not know which treatment they are receiving. Then question number 29. The most sensitive index to of recent transmission of malaria in a community is infant parasite rate. Question number 30. The additional daily energy requirement during the first 6 months of lactating woman is 550 calorie. Bajois is most likely caused due to the inhalation of the dust is sugarcane. Question number 32. The defining general fertility rate in denominator is women between 15 to 49 years of age. Question number 33. Mites are vectors of the following disease except cancer forest disease.